Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you will understand how to access Dashboard in TallyPrime. Dashboard in TallyPrime is a one-stop repository for all the key business insights that you would want to know. It provides you with a bird's eye view of the different areas in your business so that you can assess the business's health. With Dashboard, you get to know the areas in which your business is thriving and those that require improvement, thereby helping you make key decisions for the foreseeable future. You just have to skim through all the tiles of the dashboard catered to you on a single interface for your quick reference. Let's first see how to open Dashboard in TallyPrime. You can navigate to the dashboard using Go To. Press Alt+G. Type or select Dashboard and press Enter. Or you can open it through Gateway of Tally or switch to as needed. You can see that the dashboard has some default tiles using which you can understand how your business is proceeding. You can also drill down from a tile to view the report corresponding to a specific data point. TallyPrime provides you with predefined views for dashboard. Press Alt+G. You can see the purchase dashboard and sales dashboard. Similarly, the predefined views are provided under Switch to. You can also open dashboard with a predefined view from within the dashboard. Press Ctrl+H. Select a predefined view, for example, Purchase Dashboard, and press Enter. As you can see, Dashboard has opened with the tiles related to purchase. Similarly, you can change the view to Sales Dashboard. You can also view Dashboard vertically with one tile per row. Press Ctrl+H. Select Vertical and press Enter. As you can see, there is one tile per row now. Press Escape and then you can press N. Thereafter, you can save the view with the configurations applied to the dashboard. To know how to use the Save View feature, watch our video how to save a view for a report in TallyPrime. Now, let's see how to change the period of a specific tile and entire dashboard. You might want to view the sales trend of a specific quarter, receivables/payables of the current month, and top groups/ledgers across the financial year. In such a case, you can choose to change the period of specific tiles as per the information you want. To change the period of a specific tile, move the cursor to the tile and press F2 or Alt+F2. Enter the from and to dates and press Enter. As you can see, the period of the tile is changed. Now, you may want to view all the tiles for a specific period. For instance, you are doing a quarterly review of your business and want to change the period of all tiles to view the data or graph for that period. To change the period of all tiles in the dashboard, press Ctrl+F2. Enter the from and to dates and press Enter. You can see the period is changed for all the tiles. Now, you might have added multiple tiles on the dashboard and you will need to scroll through the dashboard to view all the tiles. Let's see how to scroll across the dashboard. Press Ctrl+down arrow key to scroll downwards. You can also click the arrow located at the bottom right corner. If you want to move upwards, then press Ctrl+up arrow key. You can also click the arrow located at the top left corner. Now, if you want to move to the next tile in the dashboard, then press Ctrl+right arrow key. You can also move to the next tile by pressing Tab. Pressing Ctrl plus left arrow key will enable you to move to the previous tile in the dashboard. You can also move to the previous tile by pressing Shift plus Tab. Now, let's see how to open dashboard as a home screen at the time of loading a company. As a business owner, you might want to view dashboard when you start your day so that you can view critical information regarding your business and take actions accordingly. You can make dashboard as your home screen whenever you load a company. Press F1. Settings. And then Startup. Select Open Dashboard on loading a company and press Enter to set it to Yes. Press Ctrl plus A to save. As a result, in this specific TallyPrime application, whenever you load a company, you will view dashboard as the home screen. Shut this company and load it again, or you can load another company. You can see dashboard as the home screen. As you saw, dashboard provides you with an overview of your business health, and you can easily navigate through the report to gather insights and take actions accordingly. Moreover, you can change period for a specific tile or all tiles in the dashboard as needed. And you can ensure to open dashboard on loading a company. Thank you. To know more about TallyPrime features, visit help.tallysolutions.com. Subscribe to the Tally Solutions channel for the latest videos.